It was really beautiful today.
Mm-hmm.
You were giving me a hard time because I just came back from a California vacation, and
Must
you
be
were
nice.
saying you bet it wasn't as nice as it was in Seattle today.
Well, look, LA only hit the upper 60s
Right.
today. Yeah, and we're probably going to be warmer than them for even part of this week. So yeah,
wild.
it's pretty wild. And yeah, it was a very nice day today. We saw a lot of high temperature records go down. Here's a list. Cities on the left. The old record is the first number, and the high temperature today is the number on the right. You can see SeaTac hit 73 degrees, shattering the all-time record of 68 degrees. It was one of the earlier times that we've seen temperatures in the 70s. Not the earliest we've ever seen it, but certainly not the latest. I think on average we see our first 70-degree reading sometime mid-April, so it was certainly earlier than average. Temperatures aren't really falling very fast despite the sun going down. Many of us are still hanging out in the 60s right now, although Port Angeles, you were only in the 50s today, right now only at 46 degrees. Most of us tonight only seeing temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s, so it will be a warm start to the day tomorrow. And the rain will be trickling in as the day rolls on. So the dry stretch of weather that lasted most of this weekend, it looks like it's coming to a close. Here's the system. It's an upper level low off the north coast of northern California. It's bringing folks in California quite a bit of rain, and this front will be working its way up the I-5 corridor, eventually reaching us sometime tomorrow morning. The clouds will continue to thicken as we head deeper into the overnight hours, but we probably won't see a whole lot of rain until after the morning commute. That's good news if you're suffering from allergens. This is from the Northwest Asthma and Allergy Center. Tree pollen was extremely high today, almost as high as it goes. Cedar and juniper trees especially. So if you were doing any sniffing and sneezing, that was certainly why. So good news is we have rain in the forecast. That'll kind of put a damper on those things. So again, clouds will increase overnight tonight. Radar will probably pick up on a few weak echoes as we head into early tomorrow morning. This is what radar is probably going to be looking like, but we're still very dry at the surface. So probably not seeing a whole lot of rain reach the ground until the main front pushes through. This is the main band of rain that'll be pushing through during the latter part of the morning, say 11, 12 o'clock, and then it's going to give us a pretty wet second half of the day. So mainly it's Tuesday evening or Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday evening, the wettest time of the day, and we're probably going to see some breezy conditions as well. This will turn to just a few scattered showers on Wednesday, and then we should dry out for the most part for the remainder of the week. So Thursday and Friday actually looking fairly dry. While we dry out, this big low is just going to sit on northern California and dump rain central and northern part of the state. The Sierra Nevada is likely going to get several feet of mountain snow. And in the meantime, we're not going to get so much snowfall. Up in the mountains tomorrow, rain and snow. The snow level about 6,500 feet, so just wet at our mountain passes. Rest of your forecast looks like this. Again, a couple of dry days Thursday and Friday. As we head into St. Patrick's Day on Saturday, just a few showers. That'll be the case on Sunday as well. But guys, temperatures will be in the 50s from tomorrow through the extended board.